When safety professionals apply for jobs, their resumes first hit an Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. This software scans applications for specific keywords and qualifications, routinely filtering out capable candidates simply because they lack the exact credential the algorithm requires. This chart breaks down safety qualifications into 3 distinct categories to clear up the industry confusion: training, credentials, and degrees. The OSHA 10-hour and 30-hours belong strictly in the training column. They are basic hazard awareness courses, not formal professional certifications. Confusing basic awareness classes with a certified professional credential is why many entry-level applicants watch their resumes get tossed out in the first round of hiring. When the Occupational Safety and Health Act was signed into law in the 1970s, the goal was to establish a baseline of hazard recognition for the average worker. It was never designed to mint specialized corporate safety managers. Modern enterprise risk management requires specialized, third-party validation before an employer will entrust a practitioner with the legal and physical safety of an entire organization. The safety career path follows a branching progression. Foundational training establishes eligibility for professional credentials. Level 1 requires an OSHA 30 card and operational training like lockout-tagout. The next tier focuses on the BSCP, issuing formal credentials starting with the ASP. Sitting for the ASP exam requires a qualifying college degree and 1 full year of professional experience, where at least 50% of daily duties are dedicated entirely to preventative safety. Earning the ASP separates a dedicated safety practitioner from a casual job site representative. It qualifies a worker to step into formal safety coordinator roles. The professional track reaches its peak with the Certified Safety Professional, or CSP. This benchmark credential for executive roles requires candidates to hold a qualifying credential, like the ASP, and document 4 years of professional-level safety experience. A different path exists for those who want to teach the workforce rather than write corporate policy. They can pursue Level 4, the OSHA Authorized Outreach Trainer status. For construction, this track requires completing the OSHA 510 Standards course, proving 5 years of field experience, and passing the intensive OSHA 500 trainer course. Choosing between the BCSP certification path and the OSHA trainer path determines a professional's daily reality. One route leads to managing enterprise-wide strategy, while the other focuses entirely on field-level education. A common mistake among applicants is stacking every available safety acronym onto a resume, assuming a higher volume of letters equals higher competence. Hiring managers look for exact alignment. They want to see the CHST, the Construction Health and Safety Technician credential, reserved strictly for roles managing daily hazards on an active build site. Conversely, they expect to see the CSP attached to a corporate safety director position, where analyzing system audits and setting organizational strategy takes priority over spotting a missing hard hat. There is a severe penalty for neglecting these qualifications. Allowing a credential or an authorized trainer status to expire forces a professional to retake the entire sequence of intensive courses from scratch. Companies do not want a laundry list of expired or irrelevant certificates. They hire for a targeted, active credential that directly matches the specific risk profile of their open position. For entry-level workers, the immediate step is an audit of their current daily tasks. They need to ensure that at least 50% of their responsibilities are dedicated to preventative safety to meet the BCSP prerequisites. The long-term strategy involves building a digital portfolio of documented inspection reports and JSAs. A JSA, or Job Safety Analysis, is a procedure that integrates safety principles into a specific operational task. This portfolio provides the hard evidence needed by credentialing boards. If you want to learn more about workplace safety and OSHA rules, subscribe to HSE Study.